Hello, I'm back with another self nails video where I do my own nails. I've already prepped my natural nails and I'm applying Gel X tips for some extra length. Here I'm sizing the tips, making sure they fit from sidewall to sidewall of my natural nails. Using the Gel X prep, I'm creating texture on the underside of the tips. You can also use an e-file for this, but if you don't have one, the Gel X prep is a dust-free way to create texture on the tips. This helps create better grip for the Extend Gel during the curing process for better adhesion. Next, I'm applying pH Bonder to my natural nails. This properly dehydrates them, removing any oils or residue. Then I apply primer to create a tacky surface. This gently etches the natural nails for better adhesion. If you're doing this on yourself at home, it's very important to avoid getting any of these products on your skin as much as possible. After that, I'm applying a thin layer of Extend Gel into my natural nails. Then I'm applying the Extend Gel on the underside of the tip, only in the area that's going to be placed on the nail, letting the gel pool a little bit at the bottom of the tip. Then I apply the tip at a 45-degree angle, letting the gel move towards the free edge of my nail, and then flash curing it. I definitely take my time with the application process to avoid both air bubbles and getting the gel on my skin. This looks easier than it actually is. It takes practice and getting used to. So if you're doing this for the first time, take your time to prevent the gel from overflowing and getting on your skin. After all the tips have been applied, I use my e-file to buff the surface of the tips and then remove all the dust with an alcohol wipe. Next, I'm applying a layer of base gel for the design that I'll be doing. After curing the base layer, I'm using D-Gel's white gel polish to create a wide swirl on each nail. Then I have a small dish of alcohol and a separate dish of acetone to help create a marble-like effect. I'm dipping my brush into the alcohol and then just gliding it over the white polish to create more swirls. The alcohol thins out the polish and the acetone helps remove excess polish on the brush. This is an abstract design, so I'm just swirling my brush over the nails, going back and forth between the alcohol and acetone until I get the effect that I want. Here, I'm using a cleanup brush to remove unwanted polish in the cuticle area and create a clean edge. I love this brush and I'll link it down below. Once I like how it looks, I cure for 60 seconds. Then I use an alcohol wipe to remove any excess gel. I apply another layer of base gel before the second layer of white swirls. This helps distinguish the second layer to give it a little bit more dimension. After curing the base gel, I'm using the same technique as before to create the second layer of white swirls. I love doing my nails as a form of self-care, and this simple and minimal design is a great way to relax while also beautifying my nails. I don't have to worry about creating perfect lines, just swirl all my worries away. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I go ahead and cure and then I apply a top coat. To finish off this look, I add a small rhinestone at the base of each nail using a non-white thick gel. I flash cure the rhinestone on the thumb to keep it in place while I do the other nails before giving it all a full cure. After fully curing, I apply cuticle oil and the result is a minimal yet elegant transparent marble look. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments if you tried this design. Thanks for watching.